What are utilities in petrochemicals? In every petrochemical complex, besides the process unit, this is a vital section called utilities. It provides the four essential services: steam, air, water, and nitrogen. This includes boilers, cooling towers, water treatment, and compressors. Steam provides heat. Cooling water controls temperature. DM water is for boilers. Compressed air, power equipment, and nitrogen is for safety. Utilities are also crucial during maintenance. If the utility system fails, the entire complex stops. Jahan Tachiz Abdal Company is your supplier for utility material.